Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be talking about the trade plan for tomorrow and what I'll be doing with the small account challenge and the plays XOM and AAL, so American Airlines and ExxonMobil. So let's start off with AAL. Please try taking notes, set your own stop loss and profits. So for the stop loss for tomorrow, I'm watching this trend line that I charted out, and this is a very, very strong trend line, as you can see. And as you can see, we're currently sitting right over here, and right down below we have this gap. So I think we have room to fall down below if we enter the gap. So I am looking to cut this. If we do open red, I'm looking to close out of this position and possibly play the gap down below. But only, we have the Powell speaking tomorrow and the unemployment rate. So it'll be very interesting on what happens with the market tomorrow. Keep in mind that SPY is sitting at the 21 EMA. So if we look at the 21 EMA, I made a whole video on this. This is a major support. You can see right over here, bounced off of it. We had a very nice close, and we kind of filled that gap to the upside. So very interesting what will happen. I'm looking to take puts if we go down below the 21 EMA. So if you close below the 21 EMA, price target is the 50 EMA. So tomorrow can be a bloody day, and I'm just hoping for, everyone is hoping for a green day. And very scary. I mean, we do have this double top playing out. So right over here we have this double top formation. So for AAL, stop loss down below. Let's close out the EMAs. So this is going to be our stop loss. I mean, we only had 10% of our account in it. Another thing to keep in mind was that we did not play a breakout. We just kind of caught a falling knife right over here. That is why I only entered in one contract and 2 weeks ahead. And if we do bounce here, I'll be holding it into next week. So that is a very important lesson, that the best entry is right at the gap entry. And if you look at the setup, this is a amazing setup. If we take a loss tomorrow, it is completely fine, because the next trade we can enter in a bigger position on the gap fill, because it'll be its third time retesting that resistance and entering the gap, and the price target is right over here, 27.22. So definitely a very interesting play. I mean, I think all airlines are about to break out. So if you look at United Airlines, we have this cup forming. Let's look at DAL. So all the airlines are looking very bullish. We have gaps to the upside. We also have jets right over here with this gap entry. So definitely very interesting for AAL. Now let's look at our next trade, which was XOM. Now XOM is a very nice trade, and we do have next week expiration, so I'm looking to close this out early, possibly tomorrow or next week. And as you guys know, we have oil stocks that broke out. We have XLE, VLO. We had these cup and handles on all the oil stocks which broke out, and XOM is currently right around the breakout level. So depending upon the market conditions for tomorrow, if we do have a green day, I think we can break this and head higher onto it. And the stop loss for XOM is right over here. We have the support down below. If the market is bloody tomorrow, we can't do anything about it. If we gap down, we can't do anything about it. So very simple trade plans on here. I am watching Tesla for tomorrow, so I'm looking at Tesla puts right over here, and this is a major support, and I think we can hit 551 on Tesla tomorrow. I think this is going to be kind of like the bottom if it holds. off. We also have Roku. I'm also watching Roku puts right at this gap entry, and I'll be alerting it tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very simple video. And see you guys tomorrow.